Hey everyone, I know it's been a long time since I've posted anything around here, so I owe you an entire story. So this video is just about me sitting down and telling you whatever's been happening throughout behind the scenes past these few weeks with me. So just me, no fancy editing, talking to you guys. So it all started with my Bambu Lab 3D printer acting up again. For a while, it was giving small issues, stuff I could manage or troubleshoot myself. But then suddenly things escalated. I started facing constant failures, especially with multicolored prints using the EMS. The printer would just stop mid print or completely glitch out. At one point, multicolor printing just wasn't possible anymore. I tried everything. I got on calls with the World 3D support. They helped me over video calls. They also sent me some spare parts that they thought that could be an issue. I literally opened up the entire machine. Like I opened up the mini motherboard and checked all of the connections, but still no luck. I finally decided to send the entire machine to their service center, which by the way is in entire another state. So this entire process took over 30 days in total, with me couriering it to them diagnosing what the issue is, fixing the issue, and then finally shipping back to me. And here's the scary part. While all this was happening, I had started getting daily orders on Amazon. My FBA stock was running low and I had no way to restock. Now, here's where it gets even more crazier. When I received the printer back and I opened the packaging, the printer was broken. Half of the frame was broken and the belt was coming out. It was dangling everywhere. The printer just wasn't in the right condition at all. Somehow I managed to put it back together, tried calibrating it, but the calibration just wouldn't work. Turns out another part got damaged during shipping. So I had to contact World 3D again and they had to send me a spare part very quickly, and finally the printer started working when I received and replaced those parts. And that is why you can feel the joy in my voice. I've been running back to back prints since then. I had Amazon FBA orders piling up, inventory running low, and that helpless feeling of not being able to fulfill demand. But now we're back. This experience honestly tested my patience and problem solving skills more than anything in the past year. Learned so much, from understanding the machine from inside out to actually being persistent through the times when it literally feels like life is falling apart. Anyway, I'm back now and with a lot more content on the way. Thank you so much for sticking around and for being so patient and supportive. And if you yourself are facing some tech issues, hang in there. And you've got this. Happy printing!